Ever wondered who has been accessing your RedNote account and where? Find out how to easily track your login history and stay in control of your security. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to see your login history or in which devices you have logged into your account. So let's start the tutorial. Here open the RedNote app first and you will be on the FYP of RedNote. Now tap on the Me icon that is at the bottom right corner and you will see your profile here. Now tap on the setting option that is right next to the profile icon. And again here you will see the several settings over here like general settings, notification settings, privacy settings. Just tap on the first option, account security. And again here you will see the several settings like mobile, password, WeChat, QQ and many more. Search for the login device information option. Once you find, tap on it and from here you can see your past login activity. Like the following shows the device information currently logged into your account in order to protect the security of your account and many more. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.